Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add HTML codes to your Wix website. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create a site, or you can create a user previously made site. Now at the top left corner you can see this option, add elements. Simply tap onto it and then you have to search for codes. So let me find the option. You just need to find the embed option, like embed code. As you can see, this one is simply tap onto embed code, and from there we can add your embedded HTML code, embedded site, also custom elements. Just simple tap onto this plus icon like add to site. Now simply you can add your code here and then you can tap apply. Also you can add an alter text, for example hi, and also you can use this website address. This is a website address. If you want to connect your Wix website with another website, you can connect the link right here and then you can apply it. So this is as simple as that. So this is how you can add HTML code or website address to your Wix website very easily. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.